with me and to celebrate this moment, birthday celebration. As my son has said, and also my husband, have to celebrate our 70th birthday because it is a milestone now. So thank you so much, especially kay Daddy, sa kay RB, for making this day, a celebration, a very special one for me. Thank you for the friends, relatives who have come and joined us maka-share sila daw sa akin. My heart is overflowing with joy. Nagpapasalamat dito sa inyo, no, for your love, overflowing, no, for me and to my family also. And I would like to thank the Lord first of all, because my 70 years of journey, He was with me, holding my hand every step that I made. And I reached this age, 70 years old. I have so many, I am blessed, no, to have reached this age na naka-enjoy ang world sa ako, no, for 70 years. Like, na-enjoy. Ang world na na-enjoy sa ako 70 years. So I'm so blessed, no. Family, friends, and I'm blessed na God has given me good health, man. Although I have so many health issues, but the Lord is sustaining me as He has promised in His word na is-sustaining it ako, no? Even in my old age, even in my gray hairs, He will be with me. All of us, no, are facing seasons sa life natin. I would like to share this, may i-share lang po, no? Okay. Just as the earth experiences spring, summer, autumn, and winter, human life is also marked by the seasons of its own. So all of us experiencing it. Okay. So each phase, unique in its way, brings forth triumphs, challenges, and change. Recognizing and embracing these seasons can lead to profound personal growth and a deeper understanding of one's journey. So, kita sa kalibutan, journey kita because we are all migrants to this earth. No? So, thank you so much for everything sa inyong pagkatsugari, sharing this time, no, sa ako. I couldn't thank you enough. Salamat kid sa inyong alam. Inyong pag-share sa inyong time sa ako. Once again, I give back all the glory to God because kuwaan siya, I give to Him. Thank you so much for everything. God bless all of you.